Okay, I just want to show you how to use the concatenate, I think that's how you pronounce it, function. Now, it's the beginning of the school year for me, and I import my students into sheets for their mark book, and I've got their surname down here, and I've got their forename down here as two separate cells. So what I'm going to do is put them together, keeping them alphabetically by their surname, but having their first name first, and linking these into one cell. So it's simply go equals con, and you can see it comes straight away, concatenate. And I'm going to select the cell. So I'm going to select that one. I'm going to put comma, speech marks, space, speech marks, comma, and then that one, this, and it will run that together. Now I'm going to copy that down. And what I want to do is I want to paste that into here, into the first column. Now, if I was to just paste it normally, so I just copied it. If I paste it normally, it's a formula. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I paste it, right click and do the paste special and paste values only. Okay, just one example. If I try and paste it without the values, I get this. So that's how you use the concatenate. I use it about once every year to do my mark books and no other time.